Once again, promotion candidates, we have to share another valuable area for our promotion exams. If you're joining me once again, kindly subscribe, like, and share. Today we share on a very important area that always come into the promotion exams. It's very important we tackle this area to help us pass our promotion exams. Today we're looking at curriculum and the forms of curriculum and its forms. But before that, we need to look what curriculum is about before we move on to look at the forms and the rest that entails in the curriculum. So curriculum, as the word, is the total learning experiences a school offers to learners, which are planned and guided by the school to carry out in a group or individually, either inside or outside the school. That is a curriculum. So the total learning experiences that learners go through, which are planned and guided by the school to be carried out either in groups or individually, and outside the school, is what we term as curriculum, and not the curriculum as the syllables used to be called. So when we talk about curriculum, it comprises all the activities which are academic or non-academic, vocational, recreational, as well as the emotional development of a child. That is a curriculum. So we can look at some of the examples of the experiences that learners are taking through in the curriculum processes, like the subjects or the courses that they pass through. Can talk about mathematics, English, social studies, government, RMID, and the rest. These are subject experiences that learners go through. We can also talk about hobbies that pupils are encouraged to develop in the school, like reading, like garden, like sports. These are hobbies that learners are to experience in the total development of a learner. Very important. So we can also talk about youth activities like clubs and societies, and especially the second cycle schools or the tertiary level. It's very important. Like Boys Scouts, Red Cross, and the rest are examples of the youth activities that learners experience, especially in the secondary school and the tertiary institutions. Then, so when we are saying curriculum, it therefore refers to all the experiences which are aimed at developing the potential of the learner, that the cognitive aspect, the affective, and the psychomotor domain of the learner through the school. So it's very important learner goes through all these curriculum activities to help him develop his or her potential. Now let's look at factors that are being determined in the formulation of the curriculum, or factors that are considered in the determination of a curriculum formation. They are very important. The needs of the society is one of the key factors in determining the formulation of the school curriculum. So the needs of the society is very important. It's considered when curriculum is being considered to be formulated. Then the needs of the learners is also one of the key aspects that need to be considered when formulating a curriculum. It is very important. Then appropriate technology, changes in the technology and changes in the knowledge. Then the physical development of peoples are also some of the factors that are being considered when we are developing a curriculum. They are very, very important. Now let's move on to look at the forms of curriculum. The forms of curriculum, very, very important aspect that you need to know. Some of the experiences are formal or formally planned by the school and occur in the classroom. So we have formal curriculum, formal curriculum. So these are experiences that are planned by the school formally to be occurred in the classroom. Very, very important. Other planned activities also take place outside the classroom. We should also have activities which are unplanned or occur simultaneously or spontaneously. It's very important that we need to know this aspect before we go and write the promotion exams. Come back again, we shall continue with the actual forms of the curriculum and how they are depicted or they are being um, structured in the school system. Come back and continue to watch the tutorials. Thank you and God bless you.